Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to turn a string into an array and check the reference, see if it is an array, and after that we're going to slice and dice it. So before we start that, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that and supporting this channel. So we're going to create a scalar called string. Okay, and we're going to add a string to it. Perl is a great programming language. So Perl is a great programming language there in a new line. Okay, I'm going to create a little subroutine to do this. So I'm going to call it string array. Okay, string array. And let's just create, I'm going to say I'm going to create an array there called new string. It's going to be equal to split. And whoops, that's wrong. Scalar string. Okay, so we're going to print. First of all, we're going to do the reference to it to make sure that it actually has converted it into a string. So we're just going to simply type reference. Okay, it's going to be slash there and new string. Okay, and we're going to say sleep for 1 second. So we're just going to give it a little bit of a pause when we execute the program so we can see what's going on clearly. Okay, and then we're going to do print a new line to make it look a bit neater. Okay, and then we're going to print new string. Go in a new line there. And then we're going to print another new line just so we can see what's going on. Make it look a little bit clearer. And then we're going to print. We're going to slice and dice it now. So we're going to do new string. We want to see 0 position in the array, which should be Perl here. So we want to print out 0 position there. And to make it a little bit more interesting, we're going to print out a new position in here, another one. So that's going to be, whoops, scalar new string. And we're going to do position -1, which is at the end of the string, which should print out language. Okay, so now all we have to do is call it, and we call it string array, and in there scalar string. Okay. So I'm just going to save it now, make sure I've made no typos, I hope, and let's run the program, shall we? Okay, I seem to have made, let's have a look, let's just suss this out. Okay, I spotted something here, let's just take that out, let's see if that makes any difference. So everything looks okay, looks good to go on there, so let's run it. Okay, there we go. So it's referenced the new string here as an array. It says Perl is a great programming language, so it's written it out. and we've grabbed 0 position here in the string, so we've sliced it there, so that's Perl, and we've also got -1 position there, which is language. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.